Hello, welcome to my website. My final project is talking about coffee, and I put the 6 parts for the page: the home, about coffee, roasted type, enjoy at home, great in Boston, and contact page. There is my logo for the enjoy coffee. If I click here, it will the inner contact. For the introduction website, like the users can choose the red one for the user to enjoy. And I put the animations for the header and 4 images to introduce the different page. If I mouse over here, it will have the title for the image about coffee beans, type of coffee, enjoy at roasted coffee, and enjoy at home. I also put the music in the home page. The users can pause when they want. And for the about coffee page, I put the table for the type of coffee beans, espresso drink guide, and also the black coffee. Here I put some headers for introduce. There is a set for the notice. It tell the user like the notice not too much coffee in a day. And here is if I click here, it will show the more information image, because a lot of coffee types in the world. I can't introduce every type, so I put the images to tell the user distinguish the different type. And for the roasted type, I combine the text and the images, like compare the different type, light roast or medium roast or dark roast. For the color, taste, and temperature. For the enjoy at home page, I put the images and the text. The drip coffee, French press, pour over coffee. And if I mouse over here, it will show the title to tell the user click to get the YouTube tips. If I click it, it will turn into the web YouTube video. The 3 both have the video. And in the Great in Boston, I put the image animations for the header. And there's shops in the Boston. If I click the name of the shop, it will turn into the website. And for the contact page, I put the form to the user if they want to write something to connect me, and like the first name, last name, country, and subject to submit. I also put the transition for the contact information about me. And I think the most important thing is the email, so I put my email to the footer. This is all my pages, and if I click the logo, it will turn back to the home page. And if I shrink the website, like it suit for the different the phone, the computer, it will have the hamburger to show the menu. And the challenge I want to see the first is the nail bar. The first time when I create the nail bar, it's not exist when I scroll the website. And when I learn from the class, I know it will be the function, the JavaScript to response. And it will exist when I create family. And the hamburger button, the first time is not had, but it works when I put the JavaScript. And for the animations, like the welcome to coffee selection, the header, uh, I need to make more time to choose the right size, right durations, the font size to match my website. Also, the animations in Great Boston, and I write the code to the animations in CSS, like choose the right padding top, animation durations, and I really like the result I put after I put in the code. And if I have more time, I would like to see I would add more informations on my website, like add more part of pages, and I want to add more animations or some fancy buttons, transitions in some empty space, not waste too much space. And the interesting thing I want to show is that here, uh, it not waste too much space, but when I click it, it will show the images. So it looks a little bit fancy and looks it make website looks logically and clear. So this is all my website about coffee, and that's all. Thank you.